This would be the most delicious date dessert you ever taste. Ranginak. Let's taste it. Mmm. 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 Perfect. Let's make it together. My name is Pune from Montreal, Canada. Today I'm going to make a very delicious Iranian dessert with date called Ranginak. I hope you like it. Be with me till the end of the video. Actually, this is the first video I made in English, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, what we need first, I bought these dates from Costco, Medjool, seems the type of it. It's a good date. We need, for the amount I want actually to make, need 5 full tablespoon of flour. You can just use all-purpose white flour, or you can mix it with whole wheat flour, whatever you like, no matter. We need walnuts too, and we should cut this in half actually for putting it between the dates. You can use pecan if you want to. If you like this dessert to be more sweet actually, you can add some icing sugar to it. I just added 1 tablespoon, but you can add more, or you even can just don't use it. For add the scent of Middle East to this, you need to add ginger powder, cinnamon powder, and cardamom. This little aromatic spice. I will learn you and show you how to use it. At first, you should bring the seeds out of this. See, I just opened it, and it's little seeds in it. It smells just like crazy. See? And we can put it in such thing. And this little small thing, and I just make it a powder. It's just like I'm at home in Iran. Wow. I add this to other spices here. Then bring a plate, which size you want, no matter. Took your dates. Open it just from one side, see? And take out the kernel, just like this. Okay? And put a half of, actually a quarter of a walnut in it, like this. And close the date. Such an easy. And put it here in your plate. You can just put all of them this way, or just lay them together. Okay, I will make all of them. Shape the dates like this, but you can shape in whatever you want or you like. We just put this aside. Right, pan. turn on the end. First should be high, but then we will lower it. Okay, now I'm going to add my flour to the pan. We need to roast the flour. It's better to use a pan with a dark to see the color change. The heat shouldn't be so high and so low, it should be medium. You can understand when it's enough to roasting from the smell, from the color, and it depends on you how to roast it, but it shouldn't smell like a raw flour anymore after roasting it. I'm going to add the icing sugar. You can understand when it's enough to roast your flour. Now we can add our spices, cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. We're creating a phenomenal smell. That scent of Middle East. In this step, you can add oil too, but it make it just a little runny. It's better to add fat, different kind of fat or butter. I like the taste of butter more. Put as much as butter that make it runny. Okay, we will turn it off. This is the last step. We will pour this beautiful sauce on our dates. Wow. You can design this delicious dessert with whatever you want. I will design it with pistachio powder. You can design it with sesame or any other thing you like. And ta-da! We have a really beautiful and delicious date dessert, Ranginak, from south of Iran. I hope you all make it and enjoy it. Thank you for being with me till the end. I hope you enjoy it.